Dear students, good morning. Hope you all are fine. I am Tanvira Sultana from Department of Mathematics and I am going to take allied subject statistical methods and their application, and that I have selected first second unit because it will be little easy and you will understand soon. And the topics are arithmetic mean, median, mode, harmonic mean and geometric mean. So first let us see arithmetic mean. I hope that some students will be aware of these topics who would have studied higher secondary maths. It will be easy. So first I have selected this arithmetic mean. What is arithmetic mean? It's the average. Arithmetic means is a or average, usually denoted by the symbol x bar of a set of observation, is the sum of the values of all observations in a series divided by the number of items constituting the series. What arithmetic mean means, it is we are always denoted it by x bar. It's a set of observation, the sum of the values. If the values are there, we are adding that uh, problem values and divide by the number of items, that is will set as say as n. So you see, observation is the sum of values of all observation in a series divided by number of items constituting the series. There are some formulas related to this. What formula for if it is in ungrouped data? Ungrouped data means 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma etc up to 10 or up to 100, like that. If it is in ungrouped data means, what formula we are using means, x bar is equal to summation x by n or x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus xn. For a whole sum only, we are saying as summation x by n. X bar is equal to summation x by n. If it is group data means, what formula you see here will be understand. You just refer that, that is enough. Then once you refer, then you will go for median. First I will say the definition of mean, median, mode and two problems. That is enough, girls. You will understand it soon. This now you see median. What's the meaning of median? Median is that value of variables which divides the group in two equal parts. What median means? We are dividing the group into two equal parts. One part is the value is greater and the other is less than median. Thus median means what ma? It divides the group in two equal parts. One part of all values, one part comprising the values greater and the other less than median. That's all. Understand, okay? That is called median. We have median formulas also. We check that here. Median formula is n by 2th item, we will say. So you see one example, you will understand. See the illustration. The marks obtained by 12 students out of 50 are, see the values, what marks they have obtained: 25, 20, 23, 32, 40, 27, 30, 25, 20, 10, 15 and 41. They have given and we have to find the median. So this is the solution for that. The marks obtained by the 12 students. 12 students arranged in ascending order. Ascending order means from smaller to bigger. So, see, we have arranged the values in smaller to bigger. See, 10, 15, 20, 23, likewise up to 41. Here the number of items is n is equal to 12. Okay, 12 students, no? So, n is equal to 12, which is even. So, therefore, the middle item are, what I have said, median means n by 2th item. So, the middle item is 12 by 2th. Actually, this is in even, so n by 2 plus 1. So what we will get? 6th and 7th value. That is the median for this. That is example. Next, if this is next for problem means you will understand. And you see the meaning for mode, definition for mode. Mode is nothing. It is the value which occurs most frequently in the set of observation. If the numbers are given, the values are given, the values which is repeated, that is called mode. Nothing, that is very easy. Mode, not, don't get tense. Now we will see the problems in two problems you see, you will understand. The first problem, what they have given: the average salary paid to 100 employees of an establishment was found to be 5,424 rupees, 5,424. Later on, after distributing salary, it was discovered that the salary of two employees was wrongly entered as 8,910 and rupees 4,950. Actually, the correct salary was what? 5,910 and 5,550. We have to find the correct arithmetic average. What must, for the 100 employees, the salary was distributed, and it was found that full amount was how much? 5,424. That means what? X bar is equal to 5,424. Later, after distributing, it was discovered that for two employees, they have given wrong salary. Actually, correct salary was 5,910 and 5,550. For the wrong salary, what they have given? 8,910 and 4,950. So we have to find the correct arithmetic average for the correct salaries. So you see the solution. Let the variable x denote the salary in rupees of an employee. Then we are given x bar is equal to what? 5,424. X bar means what? Summation x by n. Therefore, summation x by 100. 100 employees only is there, no? So, summation x by n is equal to 5,424. In this, by summation x by 100 is equal to 5,424, we can find summation x value. So what will be summation x is equal to 5,424. Here cross multiply means what you will get? 5,454,2400 you will get. Thus the total salary distributed to all employees is the establishment of rupees 5,054,2400. After incorporating the corrections, we are corrected. What we are doing means summation x is equal to what value get? 5,424,00 minus sum of the wrong salaries plus sum of the correct salaries. What the wrong salary we got? 8910 plus 4950 plus what the correct salary we got? 5910 plus 5550. If we add everything and we subtract by this value, we will get this value. This is the value. Now we want to find the correct average. Average means what? See what value are getting? 540,000 divided by 100. So what value we get? This one, 5,400. This is the correct average. If you want to find average, this is the correct value. Summation x by n. No, summation x value what you are getting? 540,000 divided by n. N is equal to what value? N is equal to 100. So 540,000 divided by 100 is equal to 5,400. That is the first problem. Then we will go for second problem. Problem 2, you see, the following table gives the marks obtained by 10 students at an examination. Roll numbers they have given up to 10. That means what? N value what? N is equal to 10. Marks obtained for first roll number what? 43, 48, 65, 57, 31, 60, 37, 48, 78 and 59. We have to find correct arithmetic average by using arithmetic mean. So you see we have put in a tabular column roll numbers we have given and what marks they have obtained, that we are putting in the correct roll number and we are adding. Why we are adding? Because formula for that is summation x by n. Summation x means what? Sum of the values. So summation x value what you are getting, summation x is equal to 526. So for arithmetic mean formula what ma? X bar is equal to summation x by n, or else you can write as 1 by n into x. Both are equal. 1 by n into x or summation x by n. Summation x value what ma? 526 divided by n. N value, n is equal to 10. So 526 divided by 10 is equal to 52.6. I hope students you would have understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask in our comment box, or if you have group means you add me and you can ask. Thank you girls. Next video I will upload as soon as possible. Thank you girls.